I did not think I would say this today, but the boat is coming back. I have way too many projects going on at the same time, so why not start another one? First, I'm gonna bring it down from this wall here where it's sitting right now. It's kinda fun seeing this back here, and kinda not. I have way too many projects going on now, so I feel like starting another, but I want this to float and I want to be able to drive this. It does float, I think, still. It did float, however. I want to drive this summer. I did not plan on finishing this really, but, or I might not finish it, but I want to drive it at least. And because I have been thinking of, it's always been in the back of my head, like I have this boat sitting there. So let's, mosquitoes, I'm gonna finish this now. We're going to put this stuff back on, I guess. Basically this will be all we're doing. No, we're going to put motor in it. Maybe not what you think it's going to be. Not your average boat motor. we will not be operating this boat with the propeller spinning that fast, because it's a huge propeller. When I drove this, it was going pretty fast for what it is. It's a very wobbly boat, so it was going a little fast, pretty fast when I was driving this. I don't think I have that filmed last time with my 18-volt screwdriver. That's sketchy because I don't want to sink that. So we're getting another 18-volt screwdriver that I have had. No, it's 12 volts, so it is a little older machine I had before, so I don't really care. It's maybe the wrong word, but it is less of a loss if it goes into the lake. So it's evening now, so I'm gonna pick that up in town tomorrow because it's in town. But for now we're going to do, I think it's called keel. Is it called that? I guess. We're going to install that because I have one. And the boat is a little flimsy with just a flat bottom.
Vilket fartmonster!